Hey guys, Kristen here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams, and now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's one of our newest trades. It's a 2018 2500 Duramax. Let's take a peek. So underneath the hood of this one, it has the 6.6 liter Duramax engine. You do have the chrome bumper with your built-in park sensors, as well as your built-in fog lights, and then you do have the tow hooks down at the bottom. Along the side here, you do have the full cab length running boards. Your mirrors do extend by pulling out, just like that, but we'll check out the back. The back here, you do have your chrome bumper with your built-in park sensors. You have your 4 and 7 pin wiring, your hitch receiver. This one does have a built-in backup camera. Opening the tailgate, it does have the spray and bedliner with the soft open tailgate, and then it does have the step in the bumper so that you can get up into the box of your truck really easy. On the inside of this truck, you have your full leather heated and cooled seats, as well as your heated steering wheel. You have your wireless charger on the top of the armrest here. You have tons of space in your center console, as well as your 2 glove box areas. You have a nice big touch screen on this one that has your navigation in it. You do have dual climate control. You do have your controls here for your heated and cooled seats. This truck has lots of auxiliary switches for your power moving pedals, your traction control. This is your cargo light. You can turn your park sensors on and off, so if you're backing up a trailer, it's not going to yell at you. This is your lane departure assist that you can turn on and off, your hill descent control, and then your exhaust brake as well. On your steering wheel, you also have your forward collision warning. This truck does come equipped with a sunroof, as well as your power folding mirrors, but we'll check out the back. It's a crew cab, so you have tons of space back here for your passengers. You do have a couple cup holders in your flip down armrest here, and then your seats do fold up, giving you tons of storage underneath, and then you also have the all-weather floor mats. All of our used vehicles here do go through a full AMVIC inspection from our journeyman technician. If you're interested in 30+ pictures and pricing, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.